Alright, Flightless Bird versus Death Wish. Let the games begin in 3, 2, 1, go! It seems like the Flightless Bird is going in, but oh no, he missed Death Wish, but Death Wish is going hard. He's turning, but it seems like even Death Wish can't stay still for once. Oh, Death Wish has gotten a hold on the bird. Oh, and it looks like the bird's beak has gone off. Death Wish is going in hard, but the bird is trying to survive at all costs. It seems like Death Wish is slowly approaching and has ripped off. Inch by inch, he takes and takes. It seems like the Death Wish is closing in real fast. The Flightless Bird has no choice but to run. But who knows? He might win.
Pit opens in 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The pit is open. Who knows? The bird just might survive. Sorry about that. But as Death Wish struggles to turn, the bird mocks him. But as death closes in for the bird, who knows? He just might survive as the slow hulking beast can make it over. There we go. It seems like the bird has figured out how to trick Death for once. But oh no, the Death has gotten its arm. 30 seconds left. Who knows? Death might get the bird's wish. It seems like these two are getting in real close and personal. What are they hugging? I don't know.
Match ends in 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
End match.
It seems like the Flightless Bird lives for another day.
Oh my gosh! How is that thing so high?
Death was avoided.